tried to record this before and have had no luck because as you can see, my focus keeps shifting. But today I wanted to show you, I'm just tucking in the ribbon off my pants. I'm still in my pyjamas. It's a very cold Sunday today and I'm just in my pyjamas on the veranda. So mine's the pyjamas and the Ugg boots. But what I want to show you is how I start to make my cordage. This is in my hand here. This is a cardamom stem. You can see the leaves up the top here. And this end here has come from the roots. So when they die off, I just pull these bits out from the base, and the roots are left behind in the pot. I grow mine in pots at the moment because I don't want it to run everywhere. Cardamom is from the ginger family, and as you're probably aware, ginger runs quite well, a bit like bamboo. So I've kept mine in pots. So this is what I've recently harvested when I repotted it. You can see the basket here of the stems that I'm saving. So what I do is pull the outside stems. I just pull away and then run my fingers up to make sure there's no soft spot. I'm doing this quite firmly. So that piece looks good. Put that in the basket. Next one, the outer leaf stem. Run my fingers up. Now up here we've got some leaf. We don't want to keep the leaf because they're too crunchy and dry, and they don't spin up well, twist up well. So we just discard the leaves. Keep these bits. This is what we want. Here's another one. So I keep going with this until I get, this is the first time I've done this much at a time, because I normally just pull off the dead stems and dead leaves as they happen. But last week, the week before now, gee, time's gone quick. A fortnight ago, I had some pest control done. We have a dreadful white ant problem here, so we had to have that addressed, and to do that I had to move all my plants from around the house. Then in my wisdom I decided it would be a perfect time to repot my plants. So as a result I have a lot of cardamom stems that I can now use to do some cordage. So that's what I'm trying to catch up on today. I will come back and show you a bit later today how I do my cordage. I don't want to do it all in this one video because I need to be able to I need a few more things to get set up correctly. This bit I just threw away. This is the stem. You can see it's a bit firm. You can feel it. You can run your fingers along here and feel it. It softens up, but it's a bit chunky, and I find it's just not conducive. I might keep this top bit, see if that'll work. Oh, okay, so yeah, see that? No. I'm just pulling at that, and it's too brittle. We won't use that. We'll just keep using these these outer stems. Doesn't matter if it's dirty. These got a bit dirty because the first night I left them out in the rain, but that's okay because that'll either pull off, or when we soak it or wet it, the dirt will come off. They're going to have dirt anyway, being outside in the garden. So that's my, so far, how I harvest the bits I use for my cordage. I'm having a little challenge here because where I've got this set up, the only place I could set up for the camera is on my front table, and right here is my chain of hearts that I've just had to prune significantly. It was over 7 meters long, so I've had to take some of the ends off that, and those leaves are getting caught in it while I'm trying to get the stems. If you're wondering why I keep flicking, that's what's happening. So as I said, to save you boring you watching me harvest all this any longer, I'll stop this video here, and I'll come back later today with the next steps. Until then, I'll see you all soon.